So guys, welcome back once again in this YouTube channel, and this is Masum here. So I am extremely sorry that I was not able to shoot any videos since few days because I was so busy. In this video I am going to discuss that some kind of mistakes that you need to avoid if you want to speak in English. Before that, do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. These all are the common mistakes you must avoid if you want to learn how to speak in English. The first one is, I believe that it is waiting for the perfect time. So stop waiting for the perfect time, because perfect time never comes. So what I want to suggest you that there are so many people who just think that, you know, when they will learn English grammar too much, when they will reach at the level of high level, when they will able to learn all the grammar rules, then they will start speaking. Believe me, this time will never come. Learn English by practicing, not by waiting, not by avoiding your perfect time. So stop waiting and start speaking from today onwards. You know what? Practice creates fluency, not perfection. Number two is stop translating everything. You know what is the main mistake here? Another mistake is like translating from your mother tongue, like Bengali, Hindi to in English. These all are the main mistakes. This slows you down and create confusion in your mind. So don't try to translate all the sentences in English. Just try to think in English from the small sentences. Trust me, these small sentences will make you fluent. If you can't think long sentences, then just try to think in English just the small words, small phrases, small English sentences like I go, I come, I eat, etc., etc. Number three is stop being scared of mistakes. You know what? Fear is the biggest enemy in your life. People think that others will judge them. But do you know what is the reality? Reality is nobody cares. Believe me, everyone is busy with their own life. Stop worrying that what people will say about you. Mistakes are the part of learning. And number four is stop learning too many hard words. You don't need to learn biggest vocabulary words, or big vocabulary to speak in English. You just need the right vocabulary which you can apply in your spoken English to improve your English speaking. As I informed, focus on daily words like go, come, went, etc., etc. These all are enough to make you to make conversation with any people at least 30%. Number five is stop comparing yourself with others. Remember, your journey is yours. So don't compare yourself with anyone who is studying in English medium school since childhood. You are learning now, and that's perfectly fine. Just focus on your improvement, not in competition. Number six is stop practicing only in your mind. You know what? Some people think in their mind and they will think that they are practicing. It is not the practice. But real improvement comes when you speak out loud. Record yourself like me. Listen to your voice. Try to find out your mistakes and try to rectify them. Try to make them correct. That's how professionals improve their English speaking. Number seven, stop using only one method. Don't just memorize grammar. Don't just watch videos, reels. You need to mix everything: speaking, learning, listening, writing, reading, etc., etc. So guys, these all are the silly simple mistakes. If you will avoid these mistakes, I believe that obviously you will learn how to speak in English, and believe me, your English level will improve soon. And overall, the main thing is consistency. Consistency matter. If you are not able to be consistent, then you can't improve your English speaking. So believe me, consistency is the main key role of improvement. So if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, then do subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video, and let me know in the comment section in which topic you want me to make a video next time. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye.